Hello, welcome to Amateur Decorating Like a Pro. I am Catherine. Let's jump right into our Snowflake Medallion trio here. You want to take your foam board and you want to cut it so that it fits snugly into your frame. And after you've done that, you want to go ahead and press that burlap. Then go ahead and cut your burlap and attach it to your foam board. Now, just a little hot glue will do. If you notice, I'm using my small hot glue gun. I apply it and then I use the tip of the point here to smooth it out so that there are no bumps along the edges of the board. I apply the glue around all 4 sides of the board. And I suggest that you work from side to side when you're doing this. That way you can stretch the burlap so that it is nice and snug on the board. The next step is to cut away the excess burlap. There is no need to overlap around the edges here. I purchased these quality boards from Hobby Lobby. They're $5.99 each, and you can also catch them on a 50% off sale. They are huge and they are excellent quality. Now you want to align your large snowflake in the center of the board, and you want to gently apply the hot glue underneath the points of your snowflake onto the burlap, and just gently press down the tip. And of course, the hot glue is going to go through the burlap. That's only going to make this artwork more secure on the wall. And think about it. These could be painted also. You could spray paint them the color of your decor, whether it's navy blue, black, or white. It doesn't even matter. But they came in the red glitter, and I got these from Walmart. They were $2.99. And yes, I did spray paint them with hairspray so the glitter would not come off. And now I'm done. I pop in my board into the frame. I don't need to have staples or tape or anything. It's good to go. It fits nice and snug, and I hang it on the wall. And it's pop-out art. Like I said before, I can change this. I can take this out. I can add leaves. I can add florals. This is mainstay artwork. I absolutely love this kind of artwork. Okay, Dollar Tree coming through once again. I already had these placemats. I've had them for a couple of years, and I've only used them once, and they're very small anyway, but they've managed to stay around. So why not turn these guys into global art or rustic art, urban art, whatever you want to call it. All you have to do is get your spray paint and paint them. I decided to fringe the edge of the burlap. It really gave the appearance of a table runner right down the middle of that canvas. I had a little bit of black paint in 3 different types of paint. I'm talking flat, I'm talking gloss, and a semi-gloss, just 3 different kinds. So I started out with the flat and then I ended with the gloss. And these placemats really do absorb the paint. Now you might be like me, you got a large canvas and you don't have additional hands to help you. So you basically want to allow the canvas to lay flat and then apply the burlap to one side, and that way that side is secure. Then stand the canvas up and pull the burlap across the top. Apply the hot glue that way. That way you can make sure that the burlap is nice and snug against the canvas. The placemats, they look amazing. They are nice and crisp. And I'm telling you, it looks like this was what they were intended to be all along. So now I'm just aligning them in the center. I had another combination in mind, but I have 3 more left. So if I should change my mind, I have that option. But this is perfect to do some simple art. So I'm just making sure that my configuration is what I want. And then I will hot glue the placemats to the burlap. This is definitely the project for clear hot glue sticks. I don't have any, so I'm just being more strategic about where I place the glue underneath the placemat, so I don't have that dull dry glue sticking out along the edges. I didn't get it perfect, but I made an effort. And there is our art. It is gorgeous. I love this. Why didn't I do this sooner? I absolutely love it. This is going to be here for a while. I can see this piece working very well with industrial, eclectic styling, some urban styling, global styling. It just has a lot of flexibility here. You could also frame it in black or even do a mahogany frame. Well, that's it for me, guys. I want to thank you so much for taking the time out of your busy holiday season to watch this video. If you're not a subscriber, consider doing so today. There's plenty more of inspiration on this channel. Thanks a lot for watching, and as always, stay in prayer and stay creative. Happy holidays!